Here is something the financial industry has never wanted ordinary people to know. The exact same investments used by the world's wealthiest and most successful investors, the ones that have quietly been building generational wealth for decades, are now available to you. On your phone, right now, wherever you live in the world, not a version of them, not a cheaper imitation, the same ones. The actual ones, and in the next 9 minutes I'm going to show you exactly what they are, exactly why they work, and exactly how to start owning them today with as little as 10. Stay until the end. Because the last investment on this list is the one that most beginners walk right past. And it might be the most powerful thing I show you today. Let's go. Welcome back to WealthWise, the channel that makes personal finance simple and actionable for anyone, anywhere in the world. We have covered what the stock market is and how to buy your first stock. Links to both videos are in the description. Today we go deeper. Today you find out not just how to invest, but exactly what to put your money into. Before I give you the list, I need to tell you the thing that changes everything for this video. For most of financial history, world-class investing was geography locked. The best investments were only easily accessible if you lived in certain countries, had the right bank accounts, and knew the right people. That is over. Today, international investment platforms, regulated, trusted platforms used by tens of millions of people worldwide, operate in almost every country on Earth. That means a first-time investor anywhere in the world can now open an account in minutes, deposit as little as $10, and own the same S&P 500 index fund that Warren Buffett has publicly recommended to ordinary investors for decades. The two platforms that make this possible for beginners globally are eToro and Interactive Brokers. eToro is the most beginner-friendly, available in over 100 countries, commission-free. The two platforms that make this possible for beginners globally are eToro and Interactive Brokers. eToro is the most beginner-friendly, available in over 100 countries, commission-free, with fractional shares starting from $10 and a clean app anyone can navigate. Interactive Brokers gives you access to over 13,000 investments across 150 global markets. More powerful, slightly more complex, but equally open to anyone worldwide. Both are regulated. Both are trusted. Both give you access to everything on this list today. Now, the one rule before we go through the investments. As a beginner, your goal is not to find the stock that makes you the most money next month. Your goal is to build wealth steadily over years using investments that are diversified, proven, and low cost. Every option on this list passes all three of those tests. Keep that in mind as we go. Investment 1, the S&P 500 Index Fund. If there is one investment every beginner in the world should own, it is this one. The S&P 500 is an index that tracks the 500 largest companies listed on the stock market. Technology, healthcare, energy, finance, consumer goods. When you invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you automatically own a small piece of all 500 of those companies: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, Johnson & Johnson, Berkshire Hathaway, all of them. One investment. Here is why this matters over time. Over the last 30 years, the S&P 500 has delivered an average return of approximately 10% per year. It survived the dot-com crash of 2001, the 2008 financial crisis, the 2020 pandemic crash. Every time, it recovered. Every time it reached new highs. 200 per month invested consistently into an S&P 500 index fund over 30 years at that historical average grows to over $400,000. That is not a prediction. That is what the historical data shows decade after decade. In your broker app, search for S&P 500 ETF or S&P 500 Index Fund. You will see several options. Pick the one with the lowest expense ratio, that is the annual fee the fund charges. Look for anything at or below 0.10% per year. That is extraordinarily cheap for what you are getting. This is your foundation. Own it before anything else. Key insight. Warren Buffett, the most successful investor in history, has repeatedly said that for most ordinary people, a low-cost S&P 500 index fund is the single best investment available. That recommendation is now available to you regardless of where you live. Investment 2, the total world stock market fund. The S&P 500 is powerful, but it is still focused on one market. For true global diversification, you want a total world stock market fund. This is a single investment that holds companies from markets all around the world. Not just the largest 500, not just one region, thousands of companies across dozens of countries covering the US market, European markets, Asian markets, and emerging markets all at once. Here is the insight most beginners never hear. The US has been the world's strongest performing major market for the past decade. But that has not always been the case, and it will not always be the case in the future. Economies move in cycles. Regions that are slow today become the world's growth leaders tomorrow. When you own a total world fund, you are not betting on one country's economy. You are betting on the global economy as a whole. Wherever growth happens in the world, whether it is driven by technology in Asia, energy in the Middle East, or innovation across Africa, you benefit from it. In your broker app, search for Total World ETF, All World ETF, or Global All Cap Fund. Look for one that holds thousands of companies across multiple continents with an expense ratio under 10%. This is the investment that says, I do not know which region will lead growth in the next 20 years. And I do not need to know. I own all of them. Key insight: the global economy is larger than any single country's market. A total world fund gives you ownership of all of it, automatically rebalancing as the world's economies shift over time. Investment 3, Dividend Growth. This is the investment most beginners walk right past. And it might be the most powerful one on this list for building long-term wealth. A dividend is a payment that certain companies make to their shareholders simply for owning shares. The company earns profit. A portion of that profit gets distributed to investors. You own shares. You receive money every quarter without due. Now here is where it gets genuinely surprising. There are companies in the world that have increased their dividend payment every single year for 25 years or more. Through recessions, through crashes, through pandemics, they have not missed a payment. They have not cut it. They have grown it every single year for over 2 decades. These companies exist across consumer goods, healthcare, utilities, and financial services. Businesses that people need regardless of what the economy is doing. Businesses built for stability and consistent cash generation over generations. A dividend growth fund collects dozens or hundreds of these companies into a single investment. You buy the fund once, the dividends flow in quarterly. And here's the part that most people never understand. When you reinvest those dividends, meaning you use each payment to buy more shares, you begin to experience a compounding loop that accelerates over time. More shares earn more dividends. More dividends buy more shares. More shares earn more dividends again every quarter. For decades. A $10,000 investment in a dividend fund that reinvests dividends over 20 years can generate more than double the wealth of the same investment without reinvestment, purely from the compounding effect of those quarterly payments. In your broker app, search for Dividend ETF, Dividend Growth ETF, or High Dividend Yield Fund. Look for one that holds a diversified range of dividend-paying companies globally with an expense ratio under 15%. This is how you build an income that eventually pays you without you going to work for it. Key insight: reinvesting dividends turns passive income into an accelerating engine. The longer you do it, the faster it compounds. The sooner you start, the more powerful it becomes. How to build your portfolio, the order that matters. You do not need to buy all 3 of these today. In fact, trying to do everything at once is one of the most common reasons beginners get overwhelmed and do nothing. Here is the order that makes sense. Start with the S&P 500 fund. It is your foundation, the most proven, most diversified, most straightforward first step. Build that position first. Add to it every single month. Once you are comfortable, and comfortable means you have been investing for a few months without panicking when the price moves, add a total world fund alongside it. Now your portfolio covers the global economy, not just one market. Then, as your income grows and you want to start building a passive income stream alongside your growth investments, begin a small position in a dividend fund. Reinvest every dividend payment. Let it compound. That is it. 3 investments. No individual stock picking, no market timing, no complex strategies. Just 3 index-based funds that give you ownership of thousands of companies across the global economy. Automatically diversified, automatically rebalancing, working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is the portfolio that most financial advisors build for their own money. Now you have it too. I want to tell you something that nobody in personal finance will say to you directly. Most people who watch a video like this, who genuinely understand everything they just heard, will not do anything with it. Not because they are lazy. Not because they do not want financial freedom, but because understanding something and acting on it are 2 completely different decisions. And the gap between those 2 decisions is where most people's wealth dies. You now know more about investing than the majority of people around you. You know what to buy. You know where to access it. You know exactly how to start. The only question left is whether you are the type of person who acts on what they know, or the type who files it away and moves on. Here is your one action before you close this video. Open the description right now. Click the eToro or Interactive Brokers link. Start the sign up. You do not have to finish it today. Just start it. Because the person who starts today, even imperfectly, will have more in 10 years than the person who waits until everything feels right. Then come back here and drop 1 word in the comments. Just 1 word, whichever fund you are starting with, S&P 500, World, or Dividend. That is it. 1 word. I read every single comment and I reply to everyone personally. Your comment also helps this video reach more people who need it, so it matters more than you think. And if this video moves something in you, hit like right now, not for me. Because every like tells YouTube that this information is worth showing to someone else who is sitting exactly where you were 9 minutes ago. Subscribe to WealthWise. Because next week, I am covering the one thing that trips up almost every new investor after they buy their first fund, and it has nothing to do with which investment you choose. It has everything to do with what you do or do not do in the months after you buy. That video could be the difference between building real wealth and walking away from investing forever. You do not want to miss it. I will see you there. Let's build.